Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Christmas is a period eagerly anticipated by Christians throughout the year, celebrated not just on December 25th, but also during the entire month of December leading up to the new year. The entire month of December is vital for Christians, as seen by decorations adorning retail malls, streets, trees, and neighborhoods, all illuminated with lights and adornments. This demonstrates the excitement of Christians over Christmas. In their enthusiasm, they occasionally invite their Muslim neighbors or colleagues to their Christmas festivities, leading to complications. The Muslims are neither able to decline the invitation, nor do they wish to partake in the celebrations. What should be the answer of a Muslim? Let us address this topic in today's video. The issue with Christmas parties as opposed to regular gatherings is in the presence of wine and meat, which many Christians associate with the flesh and blood of Jesus, respectively. Christians possess a profound devotion regarding the sanctity of wine, as it is symbolically associated with the blood of Jesus. Hence, they would never host a Christmas celebration without its inclusion. Wine constitutes a significant element of their Christmas celebration, not alone due to their collective appreciation for it, but also owing to its sanctity within the Christian faith. A Muslim may contend that the mere presence of wine does not necessitate its consumption. He or she may allow Christians to partake while adhering solely to halal provisions. Consequently, this implies that attending such gatherings is not problematic. As a matter of fact, it is still an issue, even if the Muslim does not consume the wine and is only present at the table where wine is being served. Jabir reported, "The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, 'Whoever has faith in Allah and the last day, let him not sit at a table over which wine is being served.' The sheer presence of wine at a table prohibits a Muslim from attending that meeting. So, what implications arise when wine is seen as the blood of Jesus alayhi salam? The concept is so repulsive that Christians consume the blood of that being they regard as God. How can we Muslims participate in a gathering when non-Muslims utilize wine to represent the blood of our esteemed Prophet? We hold Isa alayhi salam in high regard, and it is inconceivable for us Muslims to contemplate attending a gathering where our esteemed Prophet is subjected to such outrageous disrespect. It is astonishing that Christians maintain this idea regarding their own God. If they employed any amount of common sense, they would recognize the absurdity of associating wine with the blood of Jesus alayhi salam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, "Satan made their evil deeds appealing to them, hindering them from the right way, although they were capable of reasoning." The discussion regarding the specific prohibitions against attending parties that involve wine, particularly those that celebrate with it, clearly indicates that a Christmas party is more than merely a family dinner or gathering where a Muslim might attend under the guise of tradition or custom. However, there remains a scenario in which a Muslim may accept an invitation to a Christmas party and participate in it. The exception depends on the believer's intention. If a believer wishes to attend the party and engage with the guests, they may do so only if they aim to use the occasion as an opportunity to give dawah to the Christians. The Christmas party can serve as an opportunity for him to enlighten Christians about the Muslim perspective on Jesus alayhi salam and the deep respect and reverence we hold for him. We can share some fundamental insights regarding the Muslim perspective on Maryam alayhi salam, known as Mary, and clarify that Muslims do not believe that Jesus died on the cross. It is unnecessary to engage in a debate or disrespect their perspectives during the occasion. Simply sharing your own beliefs can be enough to encourage at least one person at the gathering to reflect on the Muslim interpretation of Jesus. And perhaps they may find guidance through that insight. The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "By Allah, that Allah guides a man through you is better for you than a herd of expensive red camels." That's all for today, dear viewers. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.